Hey guys, welcome to the vlog, and how are you doing? Today we are doing my slime collection, and I will see y'all in just a second. Okay, so we're gonna actually go ahead and get all my slimes. I have some of them are putty, but it's okay. Grab it. This one I did not make, but it's okay. It's honestly okay if you didn't make it, right, guys? You just show the slime collection. And I can't get it. Okay. Sorry, guys. I had to cover it up. I have so much slime because I went shopping today. And I bought so much more slimes. I already dropped one. Some of these slimes are pretty bad. These are new glasses, by the way. They ain't glasses, but you know they're sunglasses, but not really sunglasses, but they ain't permanent. Okay, first one I start with this really cool one. It's called Alien Slime Sludge. Let's open it. Yeah, Sam's being loud. Okay, a brain, guys. Just ignore Sam in the background. There's more than this, I think. No, there's not. And this is what it looks like. Okay, that's that one. Now we're going to do this one. Yeah. Okay, I can't get all of it out, but this one's the eyeball slime, which is really soft, but hard kind of because the eyeballs in them. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is, let's do a bad one. Okay, this is going to be the mint bad ice cream. Hold on, guys. Let me just do something. Oh, God. Failed so hard. Feels like rock. This is the hardest slime you can ever get in your life, guys. It does not even feel like slime. I cannot get it. Like, legit can't get it. So, we're probably going to throw that one away by the end of the video. So, that's a bad one. This one's kind of bad. Not as bad as the other one that we just did. Let me go pour out the juice. Okay, this one's called the Blueberry Fluffy Slime, which is not stretchy at all. It's just soft. That's what I like about it. Okay, so that's the Blueberry Slime. This one is the Crystal Glitter Soft Slime. This one is stretchy too. This is probably my faves out of the slime that I made. Look how good that is, guys. Perfect. I love that one. Well, there's that one. Okay. Now we're going to get on to the really, really good ones. The first one is the Rainbow Glitter Soft Slime. It ain't stretchy because it's too gooey to be stretchy. But there, that is. You have to put little pieces in at a time because it won't go in when you just put the other thing in. So. There's that one. Rainbow Glitter Soft Slime. I think that's what I said, yeah. Okay. Be careful putting it in. Okay, got that one. Okay, the next one is gonna be the Noisy Putty Mastic Snore. It's really soft. It's the blue, soft, stretchy slime. there's that one. Tell me in the comments down below if you have more slime than me, but I still have more. This is my last one. It's probably one of my faves. Okay, this is the pink Dr. Putty's Crystal Clear Putty. This is the Crystal Clear pink lemonade slime that I am dying. Look at that. I'm gonna close up. Hey, come on. That is perfect, guys. Now let's open this. Oh my gosh. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, don't ask. I'm wearing Gucci sunglasses, hearts. So don't ask that question. You can in the comments down below. But I don't know why I'm wearing them. I just like the clear one. People kind of don't like the clear ones. I don't know if y'all do because I've never seen y'all's videos. I watch people just... If you have a YouTube channel, let me know in the comments down below because I will watch it and I will subscribe. Even if it's like bad, I'll still subscribe because to y'all, it's awesome. It is fire. It is, and if you don't like the word fire, tell me to say any word, but it's fire. So, lit, fire, rad, anything you want me to say. It is awesome. So, that was our video actually. It's kind of fun, kind of fun. To y'all, probably really fun. It's really fun to, y'all be like, oh my gosh, I wish I could feel that stuff right now. Or if you have it, let me know in the comments down below. But, hold on, let me show you. Let me show you the ones that y'all don't have. These ones, because I made these ones. So y'all don't have it. You might have this one. That will not work, but you might have that one. You might have this one. You might have that one. You might have that one. You might even have the brain that came with this one. But, yeah. Okay, guys, we love you. We will see y'all next time. Peace.